Hello everyone, welcome back. Among the students who are appearing for UPSC preliminary examination over the years, what we have been observing is that students, whenever they are preparing for this examination, they are often getting confused. What are the sources to prepare? Especially when it comes to current affairs, they don't know what to study and what to skip. Even with respect to textbooks also, they are constantly confused whether I should stick to Shankar IAS environment book or shall I go with PMF IAS. Like this, lot of confusions are prevailing. Number two, it comes to the revision process. When it comes to the revision process, students are not getting clarity how many revisions should we allot, and especially this revision also changes with respect to the different kinds of subjects you are preparing for the UPSC examination. And third most important thing what I am observing over the years with respect to students preparation is lack of proper test, because practice makes a man perfect, and when it comes to UPSC examination this stands very true. Reason being that students, how many tests you are going to prepare and what are the kind of various sectional tests, how many full length tests you should prepare for this examination, all this differentiates you from the UPSC toppers you are clearing this examination. So to help those students in clearing this examination process and to reduce their confusion and provide them with constant motivation and support, we are announcing a fresh mentorship program for next year. So the students who are preparing for this UPSC 2026 examination, you can contact us by joining that registration form which has been provided in the description box below. So in this program we are having 5 main attractive features. Number one, we will provide the students with a proper study timetable. Especially this timetable will be designed based upon every individual student's strengths and weaknesses. We will identify what is the strength and weaknesses of the students. Accordingly, we will give priority in the study timetable. Second most important thing, we will provide them how to prepare the notes making process, because this is very crucial, especially when it comes to revision. So we will provide them with UPSC toppers notes, answer copies, so that they'll get to know how to prepare the notes, so that will help them in clearing the examination. Third most important thing is the concept clarity. Here the students who are preparing for this examination, where they are finding very difficult is that the concept clarity with respect to geography, economics and even some segment of current affairs. So we will provide the students in constant mentoring support and doubt solving. And the fourth most important thing in this program is that we will provide the students with sectional test, full length test and constant test, revision test also, to help them in covering the syllabus as well as completing it much ahead of others. And the final most important thing and attractive feature of our program is the personalized mentoring and guidance and support that will provide not only guidance, we will also provide constant motivation to help the students in completing the syllabus much ahead of others and to crack this examination and come out with flying colors. So if you are interested in this particular program, as I said earlier, you can join by filling the registration form which has been provided in the description box, and you can also contact the contact number which we have provided in the screen below. Thank you, students.